Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about the apps selection on the Easel toolbar. Essentially, apps is a space where we can access certain functions in Easel that are not available with the other design tools. Things like inlay generators, the box maker, a very popular one is the super gradient generator. Things like this that allow us to kind of design certain elements a little more quickly via using an app instead of just kind of the other design tools. And so we're going to kind of highlight this or show kind of what it looks like using the inlay generator. To start, I'm going to select my object. I've got this star here. I'll then click on the brick icon on the left-hand side. This will open up all of the apps that are available. I'll click on the inlay generator, and then I'll be given a couple of options. The first is bit size, and you'll want to select that ahead of time. So I'm going to go ahead and just do, we'll do 0.00625. And then the tolerance, higher the tolerance, the bigger the gap in between the inlaid piece and the cutout for the inlay is. So we'll lower that tolerance as low as we can take it. And then we'll import it. And then what happens is we see this star that's the cutout, and then this star, which is a carve out. And what would happen is we'd separate them into two different designs or work pieces, cut out one, and then carve out the other, and then this cutout should fit right into the carve out, creating that inlay. And that's just one of the apps that's available in the App Store. I would encourage you to take a look and just kind of start playing around with them, see what you can create. If you have any questions, reach out to us at help@easel.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.